We walk hand in hand, we dream together. We giggle and laugh like kids forever. We're two different people, but we're having fun. We talk about anything under the sun. We are sisters, we are friends. We've got magic that never ends. I got you, sis, you got me. The best of friends we'll always, always be. We always have fun being together. You know me the best, we're friends forever. Through good times and bad, I'm here for you, sis. Right by your side, hit or miss. We are sisters, we are friends. Got magic that never ends. I got you, sis, you got me. The best of friends, the best of friends. The best of friends we'll always, always be. We are sisters, we are sisters.
Good morning! Ay, sabay. Hindi ko kaya. Welcome po dito po sa Arcadia sa Malate. This is the first day of our 3-day presentation.
Special.
Correct. Dito lang po kami sa Arcadia. 3 araw po, 13, 14, 15.
Di ba tayo mag-Valentine?
Iba. Lalo na today. Birthday mo na, Valentine pa.
Wow!
Wow,
Let's go!
di ko kaya. Let's party na! Let's go!
Kasama po natin ang mga February birthday celebrants, Katya Santos.
Our next celebrant, Mark Nelson. Okay, our next celebrant, Jinky Oda. Andyan pa si Georgina Sandico. Of our next celebrant, Miko Palanca. May pala ba si Miko dyan? Okay, our next celebrant, Brando Legaspi. Ayan, basta mentol. Dali. Next celebrant, Ann Curtis.
Okay, February birthday celebrants, happy birthday!
And to help us party, kasama po natin ang 9mm band. Okay! Dito lang yan, syempre, sa Sis!
I know you, you know me. Got to be a joker, we just do what I please. Come together right now over me.
Pag meron na nagpo-birthday na kakilala natin, kaibigan natin, o mahal natin sa buhay, syempre, ang pinaka-common na sinasabi natin, happy birthday. Pero, how true is this for everyone? Happy nga ba ang kanilang birthday parate?
Happy nga ba?
Okay. Ano ang favorite nyong gawin pag birthday nyo?
Una-una magtago.
Bakit?
Kasi marami
Ay,
nagpapalibre, ganun ba yun?
ayaw gumastos.
Umagang-umaga pa lang, like 3 days, 2 days before your birthday, everybody's gonna call you up. Oh, saan yung gimmick natin? Saan ka manglilibre? Diba? Ang dami-dami mong friends, tapos hindi mo alam kung sino uunahin mo.
Alam mo, feeling ko, dito lang ang bansa na kapag birthday mo, ikaw pa ang gagastos.
Yes,
Hindi
tama
ba
ka
dapat ikaw ang nililibre? Kasi it's your birthday eh.
Truly.
Gosh!
Dapat may sponsor sa birthday.
Dapat may sponsor.
May sponsor sa birthday.
Eh, sino naman ang gusto nyong unang-unang bumabati sa inyo pag birthday nyo?
Siyempre, yung special someone.
Oh, yeah!
Ay, ganda
So,
na sagot. Oo,
Kailan ba birthday mo?
Sa Feb 17 po.
Feb 17. So,
Opo.
dapat Feb 16, yung 11:59, nagre-ring na yung cellphone mo
Yes.
para binabati ka na.
Yes.
At sino kaya ang gusto mong bumate?
Sino
ba
pa?
sa kanila?
Alam na naglahat yun. Yeah!
Lahat yon. Madami. Mamigay ka naman. Lahat yun, madami.
Hindi naman siya masyadong ano. Di ba, Ning? O edi, pag malapit ang birthday nyo, ano ba, may pinaghahandaan ba kayo? Do you prepare? Is it really a very special day?
Tanungin natin yung mga
na-
boys. Kasi pag birthday, usually girls talaga yung nag-aabala.
excite, oo.
Mga boys.
Nag-aabala ba kayo?
Normally, dinner lang with the family. Nothing special, nothing great.
So, hindi pala special ang pagkapanganak mo?
Hindi. I don't think so.
Uy, special ha? Dami yung naapila.
Oo. Uy, ang dami
Uy,
dito.
Brandon,
oo.
please.
Ako rin minsan na hindi na ako nagse-celebrate. Usually lang yung mother ko nag-ano sa akin, naghahanda.
Tita Hershey ba? Diyan.
Saka misis ko, ganun lang.
Boring ang mga sagot ng boys
Wala.
talaga.
Just,
Mark,
usually at home or maybe go out and have dinner with friends. But my birthday always falls on a day when everyone else is busy. So
Valentine?
uy, may angst.
Wow! So parang
Everybody else is
eh,
busy.
parang common ng birthday ko. Lahat
so
ng
whenever,
tao
if I
celebrate.
invite people to come out, hey, it's my birthday, come out. Sorry, we're busy.
Sorry, we
fair
have a
enough.
date.
Wala na.
Hurt. Ay, may angst.
Uy! Eh di paano yan pag wala kang date? Paano pag wala kang special someone sa birthday mo? Wala kang special someone sa birthday mo. Wala pa sa Valentine. Hindi pa kailangan. Double dead.
Yeah, if I'm single, it's a very depressing day for me. No, I'm just
Di ba
joking. No,
maganda nga yun?
I
Ang
love
daming
my
ano.
birthday.
Ang daming special
ang daming
options. Special options.
Eh, lahat sila booked.
Ay, ito na. Special tuloy. Ano ba ang usual na, ito. Ano yung pinaka-sad nyo na birthday? Meron ba kayong birthday na talaga namang ang lungkot naman itong birthday na ito? Katya.
Nung 18th birthday.
Uy, debut!
Debut.
Why?
Sad ang birthday mo.
Oo.
Talaga napatanong si Mark. Why?
Uy, Mark, ba't naman interesado ka, Mark?
Naway ako ng boyfriend ko eh. Kaya medyo malungkot.
Ay,
Oo.
Jinky, ikaw.
Wala akong pera, as in.
Ay, alungkot talaga nun.
Pinaka-malungkot siya. Ang nangyari, nag-emote na lang ako sa CR. Oo.
Anong ininom mo?
Nagbasa ako ng magazine. ng mga birthday chuva. Tapos nalipas ko na lang siya ng 24 hours, wala na.
Tapos
Parang wala
na,
lang.
happy birthday naman, yung happy talaga.
Si
Diba?
Gal
Mine
sa
happiest, when was this? Like 2 years ago. Because 28, my birthday falls on the 28th. So, nung binibining Pilipinas time nun, kailan ba yun? 26, 2 days after. So, parang joint celebration na rin.
28?
pagkapanalo.
Eh di every 4 years ka lang
Hindi,
nagsiselebrate.
29 naman yun.
29. Huwag naman ganun, Janice.
Isang,
Huwag natin bawasan
isang
ang
day na
age
lang,
ni
sabit na
Georgina.
talaga.
What's the best present you've ever received on your birthday?
I can't really remember anything about my birthday because normally I'm drunk.
Ako card, binigyan ng bagets. Super siya ang nagsulat. Nag-effort talaga magsulat.
Anong sabi sa card?
Sabi niya, I love you, mommy. Sabi niya gano'n, happy birthday. Yun lang. Touch ako kasi pagkagising ko, yun agad ang binungad. Last year lang yun nangyari. Kasi last year lang siya natutong magsulat.
Sulat.
You know? Ikaw, Mark, saya mo.
My best. Ako? I don't know. Actually, I think I might be getting my best birthday present this year.
Uy,
Ano yun?
what's that? Might, so may idea ka.
Share mo
Ano yun?
naman
Share
yun.
mo.
I have an idea. I think.
Yeah, I know what it is.
Kotse.
Yeah, Miko knows what it is.
Are you getting it?
Actually, I just took delivery of it. It's a scooter.
It's a blonde.
Kala ko naman.
Oh no,
Scooter.
no.
May helmet ba yan?
I know. Oh, I'm happy because it gets me around. It's very practical.
Oh, sige, justify natin yan.
Oh,
Uy, di ba February, hanggang 28 lang, tapos pag every after 4 years, maging 29, yan. Kulang-kulang, di ba? Kulang kasi dapat 30 or 31. Mga February born daw, kulang-kulang. Kulang-kulang din ba mga pag-uugali ninyo?
Ako, admitted ako dyan. Admitted ako. Hindi ko sinasabing may attitude problem ako, pero yung sinasabi
Pero
ng
ganun na nga.
tropa, totoo yun. Pag sinasabi nila yung pag full moon, talagang apektado ako. It's either mabait ako, may topak ako.
Di naman lahat naman may mga
Ako,
topak,
ako
di ba?
aminado ako.
Pag
They call
full
me a
moon,
psycho,
di
yeah.
siguro ang sama talaga ng ugali mo minsan.
No,
pag
not
full
really
moon.
masama. I can
masayang
really
friend.
be mean and then I can really be nice at the same time. Just don't ever try to piss me off or just don't get into my way. That's
Hindi
it.
naman schizo yan. ano?
Hindi naman. Hindi naman.
Personality or
naman,
something.
laruan lang tayo.
Hindi naman.
Nagkataon lang yun siguro. Kasi di ba sabi nila pagkakulot ang buhok may ano daw, may... Che, paano naman ako? Kulang-kulang na yung birthday ko. Kulot pa ang buhok ko. Di, parang ang sama naman. Hindi naman.
Uy, Brado, paramdaman mo yung presence mo. Dali.
Ano?
Kulang-kulang daw pag Feb. Kulang ka lang ba talaga?
Ewan ko kung coincidence, pero minsan minsan mainit ang ulo ko, minsan hindi naman. So,
Parang tao, ganun.
kaya nga, parang ganun lang.
I think we're all a little bit crazy though, diba? It really depends, and just because we're born in February doesn't mean we're crazy. Normal lang.
Siyempre, pag birthday, uso ang surprises. Siyempre, meron kaming surprise para sa inyo. At ang first na makakatanggap ng ating surprise ay si Miko. You listen to this.
Surprise siya.
What's your surprise?
Birthday. This is Troy, and I just wanted to say, happy birthday and wish you all the best. You're a great guy, and anyways, hurry up and get out of there so we can go hang out, play video games, watch a movie, play some billiards or whatnot. Anyway, just want to say, you're always there for me as my friend, and I just want to say I really appreciate it, and you know that we're always here for you too. So take care, bro, and happy birthday again.
Thank you. That's surprise.
Na-surprise ka naman talaga.
Maganda ba ang surprise na
I
iyon?
was thinking maybe like my mom or something, or my brother. Not.
No.
Hindi,
Instead, you got your drinking buddy.
Yeah, just my drinking buddy.
Drinking buddy mo ba si Troy? Super friends kayo. Touch ka naman. Ako na touch. Dali, and next natin surprise para kay Ann. Ann, pakinggan natin ito.
Sino yan?
Hi, Ann. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. And sana maging masaya ka. And yung mga hindi mo pa nakukuha sa buhay mo, yung mga gusto mong ma-prove sa showbiz, sana makuha mo na. Yung mga things na you don't have, sana makuha mo na rin. And sana maging masaya this birthday mo. And I love you. Alam mo na yun.
Teka!
Ano ba gusto mo makuha? Parang ang dami mong gustong kunin. Ano ba yung sinasabi
Hindi naman. Ewan ko dyan. Hindi ko alam. Thank you. Thank you,
Wala
Oyo.
bang I love you too?
Wala.
Or something?
Hindi. Wag muna.
Tsaka na, mamaya na lang sa phone. Siya. Magbabalik pa po ang sis.
It's just a fantasy. Well, it's not the real thing. It's just a fantasy. Well, it's not the real thing. Sometimes a fantasy. Well, it's all we need.
Ang February 1 to 19, first 19 days ng February, puro Aquarians po yan. At the following po are common traits ng mga Aquarians, like being intellectually and artistically gifted.
Ayan. Meron ba kayong ganun?
No.
I don't know about it.
No, that's not true.
That's not true.
I'm not artistically gifted, at least, well, that much I know.
Oh, but you're an artist. You're an actor. O sige,
Well-
di bale, wag na lang. Di ka ayaw mo.
I don't know about artistically gifted, maybe autistically gifted.
Nakakainis.
Yeah, whatever, mate.
Oh, ito na nga. Doon pumapasok ang hanggang February 28 lang ang Feb. Oh.
How about disloyal and opportunist?
No, I'm
Feeling
loyal.
ko walang
No,
aamin
not
dyan.
at all.
No, we're very
Not at
loyal.
all.
Very loyal.
So loyal
Yes.
kayo mga boys lahat.
Of course.
Very.
Talagang boys lang.
Brando.
Ako, all of the above.
No. Ano ba yun?
Disloyal? Ano?
Opportunista at saka
loyal?
disloyal.
Always needs approval. Approval, applause.
Applause.
Katya.
Medyo.
Oo.
Minsan, parang para...
Tama ba itong ginagawa ko?
Oo, ganun.
Oo.
Eh, oversensitive.
Totoo, oversensitive. Sa ibang bagay, depende.
Like?
Pero ako, sobrang sensitive talaga. Kinaamin ko. Tsaka topakin din ako minsan eh.
Pagdating sa?
Pagdating sa yung mga bagay na ayoko talagang ginagawa.
At ano yun?
Marami.
Gaya ng?
Playing safe.
O sige na nga,
I think I need to
Katya.
change my star sign if those are all the traits of an Aquarian because none of them are me.
Sige, Piscean naman. Piscean na ba yan?
Piscean naman,
Totoo yan.
ay extreme ang personalities.
Totoo yan.
Meaning, paano yun? Ano ba extreme? You are really bad and you are really good at the same time? Is that
Yep,
it?
that's true. That's what I said a while ago. Sobrang bait, pero when
Pagka ginalit,
nagalit, sobra. To
sobrang-
the point na, I'm not saying na pwede ako makapatay, no? Pero
Nag-aamok.
we're
Pero parang
capable.
ganun
We're
eh.
capable of doing that, you know?
Pero hindi naman siya nagtatanim ng galit.
Eto na, sensual.
Ay. True, very much
Sensual
true
ba
yan.
tayo dyan?
Sensual.
Childish.
I should be Pisces then if that's
Yeah,
the case.
me too. I'm looking at this. That's all me.
Ayan.
Pisces
Should be
Pisces.
Pisces.
Childish. Yeah, that's us.
Hindi kaya yun ikaw? Kasi di ba parang ano ba yung sinasabi nila parang since in the same month, there's like two
Parang
signs
nag-intertwine pa rin yung sign.
Parang meron
Parang
ano.
signs ng water, like kung water magka-jive, parang ganyan.
Looks for absolute perfection.
When it comes to love.
That's true.
Yeah.
Truly.
Bakit?
Should be
Mas
perfect.
mahirap. Walang absolute perfection.
Wala.
Yun ang
Ever.
Yes, there's no such thing, yeah. Pero totoo yun, mahirap talaga.
Fearful of responsibility. Ay!
May pagkaduwa.
Ayun. Nag-react.
Dali.
What?
Bato-bato sa langit.
Who, me? Fearful of responsibility? Not at all. I'm very
Yeah,
responsible.
sure.
Ibang
man.
responsibility naman ang
Irresponsible.
pumasok sa isip mo, Mark.
Baka naman na commitment ang kapatid ng responsibility na ganyan.
Commitment. How do you say that word again?
Takot.
Ay, hindi masyado.
Hindi masyado.
Hindi masyado. Pero naniniwala ba kayo sa yung mga signs na ganyan? Do you believe in those things?
Do you take them seriously?
Do you take them seriously?
It's just a basis, I guess, for most people. I think, you can be like that on like the way you were brought up, so you don't really have to believe in that. Pero sometimes, sometimes it fits into how you are, so you tend to believe
Sometimes
it.
sumuswak
So you
talaga
believe it.
no?
Yep.
May tanong si Janice, exciting tong tanong niya. Dali, Janice.
What is your fantasy birthday celebration?
If you had a lot of money, Yan.
As in
Given.
fantasy birthday
Ang
celebration.
dami-dami mong salapi!
Ako gusto mag-cruise. Yun ang gusto kong mga
cruise.
1 month na cruising talaga.
Anong production design?
Wala lang, yung pang very much yung sa Speed 2 ni Sandra
Ay,
Bullock.
gusto mo
and
Speed
Ken.
2?
Pero ayoko
Bullock.
ng eksenang mga
Caribbean
nawawala.
cruise.
Caribbean.
Ayaw mo
Sinong
ng Alaskan
ka-join?
cruise.
Yan.
Ganyan.
Sinong ka-join?
Sinong ka-join?
Pero syempre yung kapapahan kung meron, di ba?
Ayan, papa.
At kabagitan. Yun lang.
Oh, sige, Katya, ikaw. Meron ka bang
Ako,
Gusto ko lahat sasagot, para exciting.
siguro maghahanda ako tapos kukumpitin ko lahat ng yung mga gusto kong Hollywood stars. Yun. Kung kaya ko silang bayaran para lang pumunta sa birthday ko. Total, marami naman akong pera.
Uy,
Yan.
Dali. Miko.
Well, fantasy birthday wish, I really wish for world peace.
Lalim.
Ano,
Lalim nun
We'd like to introduce
Kinaya
Mr.
yun.
Miko Palanca, the resident beauty queen.
That's what you
Hindi ko
wanted also.
kinaya yun.
No, I think
So, sige, you had all the money
A secluded
and you want
island.
world peace. How would you go about
a secluded island with 10 supermodels. And that's
Yun
it.
ang
And
talaga,
no one else.
yun ang talaga gusto niyang birthday.
Yeah, male supermodels.
Yeah, male supermodels. Shut up, man. That's what you want.
female? Georgina.
Fantasy celebrations for me to be alone and to
Ang
to
lungkot
visualize na. No. For me, because I don't know, I'm so much of a thinker. I think a lot. So I'm just really hoping there's this birthday of mine na one day mag-isa lang ako wherein I could read all the minds of the people. I would know what are they thinking about. That's it. Yun lang.
Scary.
That's scary, man.
Nakakatakot.
Brando,
naman.
ikaw. Kape ata gusto ni Brando.
Ako, ang fantasy ko, ito. Gusto ko nasa isang island ako.
Tapos, dili, kwento natin ang senaryo ng island.
Ang kasama ko si Jinky Oda.
Mahilig kasi siya sa halaman.
Kasi di ba, yung zodiac sign mo, sensual ka. Di ba?
Correct.
Oh, yan.
Oh, kasi Isa akong cactus doon sa kanyang ano.
Cactus.
Lanchuva.
Sa island, hindi ba desert dapat yun?
Kaya nga.
Kakaiba nga. Kakaiba. Cactus.
Cactus
Jinky.
Yun
ikaw.
nga yung
Ay,
ano,
cactus ka na pala si Mark.
Me, I would get all my friends, my close friends and family, jump on a Concorde, start in New Zealand, and celebrate my birthday for 2 days. Just fly from New Zealand to Australia, party on the plane, land in Australia, party there for a little bit, fly on to the Philippines, fly on to, and keep going around. Just follow the time zone.
Kailangan ng madaming salapi nun talaga.
Masyadong marami.
Always, always be. We are sisters. We are sisters.
O, eto na.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I have to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Siyempre, pag may birthday party, merong games. So, mag-game tayo.
Game time. Okay, ay.
Explain muna
Hindi
kami.
pa pala. Sabi ko nga. Okay. So, ang game po namin ngayon ay charades.
Charades. Ang gagawin natin, ang gagawin ng ating mga contestants, puputukin po nila yung mga bola. Ay, bola.
Mga lobo.
Balloon.
Jelly, balloon.
Ito ba yung balloon? Yan, puputukin nila dito yung balloon. Bush. Tapos papahulaan nila sa mga ka-teammate nila. Girls versus boys. Okay? So, how many balloons? Kung paramihan ng balloons in 1 minute. Okay,
Paramihan
let's...
ng balloons at paramihan ng tamang sagot, syempre. Okay,
Oo
so...
nga, bago ka makaputok ng balloon, kailangan tanga mo muna yung sasagutin nila, di ba? Okay, fine! Let's go! Sino ang unang magpapaputok ng balloon?
Okay, Jack and Poy. Ann at saka si Brando. Oy, ladies first.
What a gentleman.
Napaka-gentleman.
Pero outnumbered kayo. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, 3 lang kayo, 4 sila. Okay lang ba yun? Ladies first pa rin. Oh, sige. Ay,
Sige.
Ang babait.
So, pagputok ng balloon, papahula mo sa kanila. Charade ever ka dyan.
Tapos,
Okay.
putok.
In 1 minute, paramihan na mahuhulaan, ha?
Teka, wag muna, teka.
Are we ready? Go! Dali!
Ay, sos, Mariosep. Okay.
Dali, okay. What? Yun na nga. Dali, next!
Okay. Uy, ang bilis dun.
Oh, game.
2 words. English.
30 seconds.
First word, 2 syllables. Happy. Dancing. 2 words, 2 syllables.
Pwede kayo mag-pass.
15
Happy
seconds.
anniversary.
Anniversary date,
Dancing.
dancing,
Keep on
You
dancing.
can pass.
Siyempre, concerned ako sa girls.
Pass, ha, if you don't like.
Ay!
Ayan, pag masyado nang matagal, para naman hindi masyado kawawa, oh, di ba?
one
One
word.
word. English. Happy clown.
Yun na nga, sabi nga. Dali, Katya.
Ilan na? Ilan? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, boys. Ilan na nakuha nila? 2.
Okay, boys, come on, let's
Okay,
go.
go boys. Okay. And ready na kayo, boys? And timer starts now.
One word. No. Excited. 2 words.
No.
2 words. Ball, balloon. Toy balloon. Shabu. No.
That's my dog.
Okay. What's that?
20 seconds.
The first word's balloon.
Balloon.
Don't point. Pass. You want pass?
All right,
Go,
pass.
next.
I'll go.
You have 30 seconds.
Pwede mo mag-steal?
Ilan na lang to? 45 lira. Gagawin.
And dine.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The girls win.
Ano ba, boys? What happened? What happened there?
You wouldn't let us point.
Dinner by candlelight, flowers and chocolates.
Flowers and chocolates yun?
No, we gave
Yung
them a
pinagkamalan
chance.
mong shabu, flowers pala yun. Kasi
Kasi actions pa rin si Brando. O syempre, tuloy pa rin ang ating mga surprise. Oo. Katya, it's for you this time. Let's listen to this.
Hello, hi Han. This is Matthew. First of all, happy birthday. Sorry, hindi ako pwedeng pumunta dyan kasi alam mo naman, may sakit ako ngayon, di ba? And well, it's been 3 years now with you. All I can say is that thank you talaga. You've been a very wonderful girlfriend para sa akin. I hope you'd stay that way always. Kaya nga marami kang mga kaibigan, di ba? Dahil na rin sa ugali mo. Yan. Basta, huwag ka lang magbabago. Mas dadami pa yung mga kaibigan mo. And good luck sa work mo, good luck sa career mo. Sa lahat-lahat ng ginagawa mo. Alam ko naman na lagi kang pagod ngayon, lagi kang busy. Kaya mo, magpe-pay off din lahat yan. Lahat yan may kapalit na maganda para sa'yo. Basta, lagi ka lang magdarasal. So, lagi mo na tatandaan na I love you so much. And again, happy birthday, Han. Love you. Bye-bye.
Katya, ano naman ang masasabi mo?
Thank you. Actually kasi, hindi kasi ako na-surprise. Kasi kagabi, si Paolo, tumawag siya sa bahay ng boyfriend ko, magkasama kami. So narinig ko na may ganyan. Sabi ko, ay nako, sablay. Pero thank you na rin kasi yung effort niya na.
Si Paolo pa ang researcher namin.
Nagkamali siya. Pero thank you dahil kahit pa paano. Kasi actually magkaaway kami. Nagkabati lang kami dahil, yun nga, mag-birthday ako. So, thank you sa kanya.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yun po si Brandon. Brandon, ikaw ba yun? Brando pala, oo.
O ito, meron din kami surprise para sa iyo. Listen to this.
Hi, Dad. Happy birthday, Dad. I love you. Susan, thanks for being a good father to me. I love you. Sa susunod, by Miss Plenty Tamia. Love you. Bye-bye.
Ano yan?
Babay talaga.
Bunso kong kapatid.
Ay, kaya pala daddy ang tawag sa'yo.
Kaya pala
Ilan taon
daddy.
na siya?
5 and a half.
5 and a half. Sarap naman nababati ka ng anak mo. Happy
I love you, son.
Nag-change ka ba from nung time na binata ka at wala ka pang anak ngayong compared to ngayong may anak?
Oo, syempre, nakaka-relate na ako sa father ko. So,
Mas
kung ano
marami
yung
ka-
mentality niya, so alam ko na.
Ngayon naintindihan mo na kung bakit
Naiintindihan ko
ganun
na,
si daddy.
yes, oo.
Siyempre, hindi matatapos ang araw na to na wala ring surprise Miss Jinky Oda.
I love you, Mom. That God bless you. I love you. Thank you that you are here with me. Thank you God just thank you for me. I love you, Mom.
Yun lang. Ay, ang ganda ng reaction. I love you too, baby. I'll see you later.
Ayaw magpakaano.
Ayaw mo pa kasi.
Emotional?
Matigas.
Nagtatakot. O siya. Magbabalik pa rin po ang sis.
Send a Valentine greeting sa iyong loved one o text a love message sa isang minamahal.
Kilala ka man niya o hindi. Using your cellphone, i-type sa message window ang
I write space, sis space at ang inyong message.
For Globe subscribers, i-send sa 2344 at for smart users naman, send to 4627. Sali na sa Sis Love Text.
Text na sis, dali!
Always be. We are sisters.
pa, syempre birthday pa rin nila. Ngayon, ang tanong naman namin sa inyo, di ba, usong-uso ngayon, pag may children's party, there's always a character theme. May Sleeping Beauty, may ganito, may ganyan. If you were to choose a character theme for your birthday party, what would it be and why? Ann?
Well, if it was to be a cartoon character for like kids' parties and everything, siguro it would be Marvin the Martian.
Why Marvin the Martian?
Kasi favorite ko siya. But if it would be just a theme thing, siguro moons and stars, alam mo yun, yung
Bagay pa rin
fantasy
si Marvin the
something.
Martian. Bagay pa rin si Marvin.
Marvin's cool.
Yun.
Ako? Austin Powers. It's gotta be Austin. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Ako character ng Little Mermaids. Para medyo fishy-fishy
Parang
ang
fishy-fish.
keme.
Si
Parang ako
Ariel.
pero hindi ako yung yung...
Seashell.
Hindi ikaw si Ursula.
Ako si Ursula nga. yung
ikaw si Ursula.
Yan, gusto ko. Very evil pero celebrant.
Brando.
Ako si Invisible Man.
Di invisible ang lahat. Invisible ka rin.
I can do anything. Walang makakita.
Georgina.
Naisip ko pala, natatawa na ako. Charlie's Angel. Ako yung pang-apat. Ako yung pang-apat.
Okay yun.
Well, I think Jessica Rabbit.
Hindi naman siguro ikaw si
Oh, no,
Jessica.
you're gonna dress up as Jessica Rabbit? You're gonna dress
No,
up
it's
as
the theme. Man. It's the theme of the party.
Okay.
Okay.
Katya.
Siguro Winnie the Pooh. Para maraming mga kasama.
Oo,
Kasi
si
maraming
Piglet,
ka-join.
si Eeyore, blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah.
On your birthday, who are the people you want to see?
Una-una family, diba? Family, just close friends.
Ako din. Loved ones, whether it be family or best friends. Siyempre.
Ako, to be honest, gusto ko makita yung real parents ko, promise. Sana bago ako mawala sa mundo, makita ko man lang sila, feel ko lang. Tapos kasama yung nag-adapt sa akin, tapos yung tatay nung anak ko, tapos di ba masaya, very family, kaso wala, hindi ko lang.
Hindi, pero masaya yon kung mangyari yan, no?
Mangyari.
Ako naman, I want to be alone pag birthday ko. Ikaw tulad nung nabanggit mo kanina na parang di mo alam kung depressed ka o nag-iisip ka or what. Yun, kung may choice lang ako, yun ang gusto ko. Pero minsan walang choice eh. Nandyan talaga yung mga kaibigan mo, mga loved ones mo. So, yun, party.
Me, aside from loved ones and of course family or friends, kahit hindi someone special, pero someone who can just understand me and who can just like take me as who I really am. Not necessarily magiging boyfriend ko. Basta kung sino makaintindi sa akin, masaya na ako.
I'd like to see my sister and my dad, actually. My dad died when I was 3. So I'd really like, I wish that would happen. And my sister I haven't seen in like 5 years because she's in the States. She moved there 5 years ago, so that would be nice.
Ako, whole family. Yung mga friends ko. Tsaka, syempre, boyfriend ko.
Eto, usually birthdays, you receive gifts, right? This time, if you were the one to give the gift to somebody, sino itong bibigyan nyo ng gift? And what would it be? Doesn't have to be material. Georgina.
Sino? Sinong bibigyan? I know, but modesty aside, I've been so generous to everybody, family, friends. Pero if there's someone, siguro yung magiging future husband ko, magiging future family ko, wherein kung paano ko naibigay yung love, affection, everything to my family and to my friends, sana ganun din or mapantayan ko or mas sapawan pa, mas more mabibigay ko to my future family and to my future hubby.
Ann?
Siguro, syempre teenager ako, medyo matigas-tigas pa rin ulo ko. Siguro sa parents ko, bibigay ko yung mabait na side ko. Sobra yung, syempre teenager ako, matigas pa ulo ko. Pero siguro, yun na nga, sobrang magpapakabait na ako and do well in everything I can for them, for my parents.
Brando.
Ang hirap mag-pinpoint, marami sila. Siguro yung mga loved ones ko na lang.
What would you give them?
Siguro yung love, good health. Yan ang may bibigay ko sa kanila.
Miko?
Well, if I could give my mom like all the happiness in the world, I'll give her that because she went through a lot raising my brother and I and my sister. You know, being a single mother, I know that's kind of hard, so I'd really want to give her all the happiness if I can.
Mark?
Probably for my best friend who called in earlier. I just like to make her happy. Like to just give her all the happiness that she really deserves because she's been wonderful throughout the years.
Katya?
Sa family, sa parents ko, I wanted to help them in any way I can. Sa sisters ko, sa brother ko, tsaka sa mga pamangkin ko. Gusto ko silang tulungan hanggat kaya ko.
Jinky?
Ako kakaiba kasi since adopted ako, so magbibigay, ang heart ko ngayon ay gusto kong magbigay ng such amount sa orphanage. Kami nung aking partner in life sa orphanage. Yun lang. Tong year na, tong birthday ko na to. Kasi lagi na ako nagpa-party and everything. So this time, meron akong desires na magbigay sa mga bagets sa orphanage.
Okay.
And the birthday is not complete kung walang birthday cake.
Yay!
Where's our birthday cake?
Yay, cake!
And may birthday gift kami sa
May
inyo.
birthday cake, may birthday gift din.
This is a birthday journal.
Thank you.
Nyo, mag-write kayo dyan. Tapos next year, invite namin din kayo. Dito rin, ganitong mat din. Ganito. Okay, invite ulit namin kayo sa birthday nyo.
Write on your journal sa...
Yep.
And you know, let's sing for us. Diba?
Birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me.
Birthday to
us. Okay, everybody blow.
Sabay-sabay, blow!
2, 3. Yay! Happy birthday!
Happy
birthday!
Salamat po sa sis. Maraming salamat po sa
Thank
mga
you
staff
very
niyo.
much.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Hi
you
to my
po.
mom.
And happy
Thank
birthday
Ben
to
Charles.
all of
Happy
us.
birthday!
Base Cut, thank you, and hi to my mom. Thank you very much, and hi to my king.
Hi,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Happy
much
birthday
po.
again.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you,
Maraming
sis.
salamat po.
Siyempre, magbabalik pa po.
5-4.
Party pa! Party!
We walk together, walking down the street, and I just couldn't get enough. I just couldn't get enough. Just like a rainbow, you know you're standing green, and I just couldn't get enough. I just couldn't get enough.
We are sisters. We are sisters.
Thank you very much. Okay. 9mm Band, thank you very much. Sana mga shows nyo.
You have shows?
Basta po, February 15 sa Remy Field, Subic with the South Border. So,
Wow!
kita-kita po tayo niyan sa Subic.
Pero bukas po, meron pa kaming Valentine presentation. Siyempre dito pa rin sa Arcadia. Okay?
Of course, February birthday celebrants, thank you again.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Thank you.
Valentine's.
Bukas
Happy
pa,
Valentine's.
sis. Let's party.
Let's go!
Sis would like to thank Bambi Fuentes, Mosimo, F&H, Chloe for our eyewear, Optical Works, Adidas, Janeline Shoes, Wade Shoes, Bayo, Under the Sea Pet Shop, Salon de Manila, La Germania, 680 Home Appliances, Durastar, Mano Mano, Play and Display, JBL Home Furniture Enterprise, The Barnyard, Grand Flora, Our Home, Wayless Center and Spa, Balloon Creations, Color My Hair, and Union Square.
Hey, hey, hey.